Hey, what's going on, guys? Jason here from Poor Man's Preparing. In this quick little video, we're going to take a look at the December prep box, which was based on self-defense. Alright, if you don't know yet, I don't know where you've been, but yes, I started my own subscription box company. This will be month number 10, which was December 2018, based around self-defense. The first item up is this Schrade collapsible baton. It has a retail value of $31.95, and it's very heavy duty. Comes with a nice sheath. You can belt carry it or attach it, whatever. But let's see. There you go. It's a collapsible baton, and it is heavy duty. You gotta really smack it to get it to close. It locks in place instantly. They do sell different attachments you can put down here, but this one's the standard one that came with it. So there you go. There's your first item. See, ow! See that? It's hard to get back in there. It's a solid baton. Alright, and the second item up is a CRKT Minimalist Tonto, and it has a retail value of $39.99. And it's basically a very nice neck knife, one of my favorite knives. You might recognize it. It's similar to this version that came in the EDC box, which is with a different style blade. Great for a little self-defense. Plus, people see it. It's a great conversation piece, and you know, maybe people will leave you alone because they won't know what else you'll have on you. But it comes with a sheath. You can also mount it on your belt. Very nice knife. Alright, and the last item up in the level 1 box is made by Code Steel, and it's called the Mini Koga SD2. And basically it's a coup baton. I have one open right here. You can put this in your hand. It makes your fist a lot more solid, and it'll hurt somebody if you hit them like that. Plus these pointed ends here. You know, you hit somebody in the neck or the temple or something like that, or even the shoulder. It's really going to hurt them and make them think twice about messing with you. And it has a value of $10.99. And that brings the level 1 total retail value to $82.93, and you only paid $50 for it. Now let's move on to level 2. And the first item up, and the main item in this whole entire box this month, is the K-Bar TDI. It has a retail value of $55.24 on kbar.com. And it includes a nice sheath with a very sturdy pocket clip that this can mount either on your belt or even inside your pants. So multiple options for that. It's very secure in the sheath, and that is a nice blade. Look at that. That name right there, you know, it's quality. And this sucker is super sharp. So if you got this, be careful with it. But yep, the K-Bar TDI. And the last item up is a tactical pen made by Schrade. It's a pretty nice pen. Nice smooth threads. It's got a full-size ink cartridge in there. Unlike other ones, they put half-size ones in there. It feels very good in the hand. It writes very smoothly. It has a glass breaker tip on this end. Right there, you can see that. The nice shiny part. And it also has a cord cutter right there, which is kind of hard to see. So pretty cool pen. Very nice pen. Bam. Alright, so there is the December 2018 prep box, self-defense, which honestly was a little hard to put together because of there's several issues when dealing with self-defense, the legality, and you know, most people, the main item they're going to rely on is a firearm, and obviously you can't mail those out all willy-nilly like everything else. So, you know, I'll say it's not the best prep box by far, but it's still a solid value for your money. But a little teaser for January is there's going to be a nice item from Gerber that is made here in the USA. It has a value over $130 retail, according to Gerber.com, or GerberGear.com, I'm sorry. But it's going to be very nice. It's something that's never been featured in any subscription box before, and you'll definitely love it. Also, one more note, the prep box did change a little bit. There will be no more level 1 because not very many people bought it. So everything will be level 2 from now on, $100 plus shipping. And that will also allow me to buy a higher quality item that doesn't limit my budget at $50 per level. So I'll have more room to put better stuff in there. Less items, but they'll be better. Alright, but that's it guys. I'll leave a link in the website if you want to check it out. And as always, thanks for watching.